Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There are few notices came up on MCC website and those are really important uh, for those candidates who wants to change their category from reserved to unreserved. And I will also tell you the schedule of NEET PG 2023 examination and other examination conducted by NBE in this video. And you can also go for our paid counseling guidance to get support for national level counseling as well as state level counseling and open state counseling. Okay, so coming to the main first point, that is regarding conversion of category from SC, ST, EWS, OBC. Those who registered under this category, once you go for registration in MCC website, automatically they will fetch the category and you will be having these options. But if you don't have the certificate ready or can't get it, okay, which you realize later, then they provide the option to change it to EUR. And once you change it to EUR, later for all the subsequent counseling for MCC, it will be considered as that only. There are few candidates who had wrongly selected NRI at the time of registration, but they want to change the citizenship to Indian. They can also do that change. It's named as reset functionality. And once you open MCC website for PG counseling, you will be able to see that up to 23rd reset option is available. So you can do the reset of category and the nationality from SC, ST, OBC, EWS to UR, and from NRI to Indian. Okay, and you won't be able to change it back. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are doing it on final call. Okay, and wherever you see OBC reservation, okay, it means is OBC NCL who belong to non-creamy layer. Okay, this is the first notification. Now we see National Board of Examinations is a board that conducts many examination, and they have released their calendar, the notification or the schedule. So the most importantly, NEET PG examination for 2023, that is number 10th, is will be conducted on 5th of March 2023. Okay, so earlier we were thinking that it will be conducted by end of January, but since the counseling got delayed by 2 months and another 15 days, so they have put March 5th for the next exam date. And it is not NEET, it's not next, it's NEET. Okay, and in 24th only you will get next exam. Okay, so how is going to impact the current cutoff? Those candidates who were fresher the first attempt, okay, and they didn't get the satisfactory result, considering so much of time is left, the counseling is going to get over in the month of November, and still you will have like 4 months of time. Okay, so it's good amount of time gap between two counseling. Okay, last year it was like 15 days only, so it's good news for all of you. And those who didn't get good score this time and not satisfied their effort, they will definitely go for next year counseling and it will distribute the load. Okay, so the decision will also change and the cutoff will also change depending on the NMC is coming or not. As of now, it looks like it's difficult to get it implemented because one of the state, that is MP, got it notified, but the college management is going against it in the court. Okay, and once it goes into the court, then it will be pending or it will get delayed or it will be on a hold and may happen as per the last year pattern without NMC 50% bill. Okay, so these are the important update I wanted to share you. If you are new to the channel, you can subscribe and you can see the latest update. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.